Oilers, welcome to Girls PE. I have Ganda, one of my students. She is going to be showing you guys how to use properly our locker room and how to open your lock and how to store your items to keep them safe in our locker room.
Hi, I'm Ganda and I'm going to show you how to unlock a lock. We store everything in the small lockers. So for this it's right this way. We go 3 times to the right from 0. 1, 2, 3, and then go to your first number, and you go all the way back the other way. Then you pass the first number to go to your second number, and from that second number, you just go straight to your first number and unlock it. And everything is in here. My PE clothes. Once we're done getting dressed, we put our backpack inside. And lock it. There. And now no one can steal my stuff. Coming on to Girls PE and going back to the campus, we have to use the crosswalk. We always look at the lights. Boom, across the street.
All right, so just as Ganda demonstrated, overnight, you want to store your PE clothes and some of the belongings, your emergency items in the small locker. Make sure you always lock it overnight, okay? And during class time, make sure that you store your backpack, your cell phone, all your belongings, all your valuables in the big locker. And also make sure that the lock goes on your big locker as you go to do your PE class. Okay, once you come back, everything goes back to the small locker. You lock this one, okay, the small locker, and make sure that the lock stays overnight, okay?